friends, with Christmas right around the corner, today I'm sharing the best gifts for artists.
Santa's coming.
Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience under your belt, if you're looking for the perfect present for the artist in your life, or even a little something for yourself, I've got you covered. Let's get right to it. Let's kick some things off with some awesome gifts for beginner artists. If you're just starting your creative journey, these supplies will set you up for success. Acrylic paint sets. If you're new to painting, acrylics are a great choice. They're versatile, quick drying, and easy to work with. This set I'm showing you today includes a variety of vibrant colors to get you started on your first masterpieces. Plus, it's a super affordable way to dip your toes into the world of painting. A sketchbook. No artist can really have too many sketchbooks, and a good quality one is a must for any beginner. This one I recommend is perfect for sketching, doodling, or even testing out different mediums. It's a great gift that encourages creativity at every level. Paint brushes. A good set of brushes can really make a difference, and this beginner-friendly set includes everything from flat to round brushes. It's perfect for those just learning the ropes and experimenting with different techniques. And of course, canvases. I feel like every artist can never have too many canvases. I prefer a stretched canvas because they're easier to hang as soon as the painting is finished. Canvas panels are great too, especially for beginners because they're usually cheaper than stretched canvases, but they do require a frame to hang them. Now, if you've been creating for a little while and are looking to step up your game, here are some fantastic options for intermediate artists. Liquitex acrylic paints. For an intermediate artist, I suggest Liquitex Basics acrylic paint. They are affordable and really pigmented for the price. This is the brand of paint I use, and I really love the variety of colors that they come in. Palette knives. Palette knives are an awesome tool for adding texture and interesting effects to your paintings. If you're an intermediate artist looking to add some dimension to your work, these are a must-have. You can use them for mixing paint, applying thick layers, or even creating abstract designs. A drawing tool kit. Every artist needs the right tools, and this set includes everything you'll need for detailed sketches and shading. It's a great way to upgrade your current supplies while honing your skills. All right, let's talk about the pros. If you or someone you know is an experienced artist, these gifts will take their art to the next level. Premium acrylic paints. If you're ready to dive into a higher quality of paint, Golden Brand are a great start. They're a bit pricier than Liquitex Basics, but with rich pigmented colors that blend beautifully. It's a fantastic gift for anyone who wants to create those stunning layered effects. An easel. An easel is a must for any serious artist, and I love this adjustable, sturdy model. It's perfect for both large and small canvases, and it's a great addition to any artist's studio. A Stay Wet palette. For the artist who loves working with paints, a Stay Wet palette is a game changer. These special palettes are great for keeping your paint wet for weeks or even up to a month. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned pro, these gifts will inspire creativity and help bring new artistic visions to life. What's the best gift you've ever received as an artist? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this list gives you some great gift ideas for the holiday season. And don't forget to treat yourself to something special too. You deserve it. For more art tips and art advice, check out this playlist here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Happy creating!